Yeah.
I set it for standard and I set it for 30. That'll be 40 over. Let me at 10,000 feet. Let me set 40 and see what's going on here.
Okay. So Rick said it's about 40 over from what he thinks.
Like four before, so it's going to get the size.
That's what I think Rick was saying. It's like 40 over.
But yeah. What size is laser crank?
Which one?
The one we call it that.
One was standard.
Standard rod, anything?
This is what you call it, standard. That one,
I got it.
20 main 10 rod. Which one? There's 2 or 3 over here. Aha. Oh, it's a dirt spot.
40?
Yeah, it's a dirt bottom up here. I got something there here. Yeah. Still small at the bottom of dirt. Okay, 40 over. Uh-oh. 9 to 10 wear. Yeah, 9 to 10 wear.
Okay.
Got you for 60 over, I guess. Uh-oh. That was a 15 wear. Oh crap. 15.
You got one that's worse than the rest?
3 of them.
3 of them?
I'll just try it and see if they clean.
Okay.
At 15 wear, it's kind of hard to do. It'll be 5,000 to play with. 2,500 per side to play with.
Right.
Pushing it. Going close. So what happened, there might be a little ring at the top of it that didn't quite clean, but I don't think it hurt anything. Sometimes when it rated, there's a little spot, little lines that didn't quite clean.
Gotcha.
Let's blow the ring travel, it should be alright.
Okay.
That's why your best bet, go 60 over with it, unless they make an 80 piston.
Is that pushing it too far? Go 80 over?
I don't know if they make 60, 80 won't. If they make the piston, it's not too much. If they don't make piston, it's too thin.
Right.
But, I know they make it 60 over.
Yeah, I'm confident they do that.
But 80, some things they do depends on the wall thickness. It depends on how thick the wall is.
Okay.
If you want people to heat it. Start up there, warm up.
Yep. Done.
Here's boiling over. We shoot for 60.
Okay.
See how it does.
The
Block is 40 over, 15 wear. So we try.
Yeah, mine's an ocean boat.
Okay.
It's an ocean.
block is a board job. This is 15 over the foot. And that's going to be close. I think close to going 60.
Right, that's what he was saying. Rick was saying about 60.
Nice try.
Well, we all,
Yep.
something like that, I'll bore it before we're doing like that. This is the heater.
Okay.
And then this one, what we'll do, we'll clean it up
Standard.
and see what happens after we polish.
Yeah.
Well, I'm getting 6,000 big.
Say again?
6,000 big because of rust on it.
Okay.
But it's standard, I can tell that much.
Okay.
Okay, I'll just call you when I find out the board.
Sure.
How this cleans up and go from there.
All right, so here are those pistons. Now, Obviously, we know the pistons are not going to fit if we're going to have to bore this thing to 60 over. But the rods, so no identification I can find on them. This rod here says 58. Not sure if you can see that, but 58 on that side. On this side, it says 6-7 on this one. And this here apparently is piston number 2. And this here is piston 5. And that says 68 on that side. And on this side here, it looks like 73 on this one. Now, the reason I'm doing this is if you guys know what those mean, because I've never rebuilt a Pontiac motor. I've done Porsche motors, but not a Pontiac motor. Let me know. So this one here says 52. So this is piston 7. 52 on one side and 73 on the other. So far, those two seem to be the same. Piston number 8, it says 68 and looks like 48 on that one. Next piston is the number 1, and that looks like it says 64. And on this side, I'm going to say 75. Then piston number 3, this rod here says 65 on one side, and the other side says, looks like 68. Then rod number 6, it looks like 62. And 38. Yeah, it looks like 38 on that side. Damn good thing I'm having to read this whole hood. Piston number 4 looks like 78 on one side and 65 on the other. Then the oil pump, which I'll probably replace, but I just want to see what it was. If it had a milling or a... I can't... Well, it looks like a number there, 5149. But I don't see a manufacturer, so it must be just a stock GM one. If you know if this is a stock oil pump or if it looks aftermarket, let me know in the comments down below. So this is what came in the box with the pistons with that 400 block. All right, so blocks at the machine shop. We've inspected the rods. If you know anything about those rods or that oil pump, leave me a comment down below. Couple weeks, I guess, maybe a month or so at the machine shop. He said, you know, it's going to take a bit to inspect it and work on it. So the next video, part 3 of this build, was when we get information back on the block from the machine shop and that crank. So it looks like they're going to have to do 60 over on that bore, that block. And then the crank, they said if they can polish up, it'll just be a standard. If not, then we'll have to look at bigger rods for the motor and stuff. So with that, I'm going to wrap up this episode number 2 of Monday Motors and Motor Monday. That's what it is. Whew, been a long weekend. So with that, guys, have an amazing Monday, and please like and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you have any comments or questions or suggestions on this build of the 67 400 put in the car, please let me know down below. And until next video, be good. I'll see you then.